In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use multiple timers at the same time on your iPhone. Now, this is a new feature that comes for people running at least iOS 17, and all you have to do is go to the clock app and then tap on timer in the bottom right corner. And then you have your first timer. Let's say you want one timer for 15 minutes. Just start that timer, and then once it starts, you have the option to start another 15-minute timer. Now, you can either start this from the recents, or you can create a brand new timer by tapping on the plus icon in the top right corner, and then select another maybe 5-minute timer, and it's going to run just alongside that. And then you can also tap on plus and even set another maybe 8 or 9-minute timer, and then tap on start, and you can have as many timers as you want running at the same time. You can pause each one at will. You can tap on any and see it in full screen while the other timers keep running in the background. Okay. Now also, while you're here, you can also pause and cancel a timer, or you can do it from here. So you can just swipe and delete a timer you no longer need. That's basically how to run multiple timers concurrently on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.